Hello, fellow YouTubers. We are doing something. Tell them what we're doing. Me? Oh, okay. Well,
something for geniuses that only geniuses can do.
And with the mermaid tail. Cheyenne, go like that. I am. Don't worry.
Are you sure you got your helmet on tight?
Yeah, more. Like this. You gotta pull up.
3,
Do it right!
2, 1.
My turn. Give me the helmet! Give me the helmet, Monique. I need the helmet. Oh boy, was that fun. She
Okay.
didn't do the waves right though.
It's fine. Now you do the waves and let Cheyenne go. Here.
My mermaid now.
I'll pause it. Don't splash me. You're going to get my camera
Well,
wet.
I didn't mean to. Start the wave.
Look at the mermaid tail. Your helmet fell.
Jumbo.
Okay, now it's my turn. Now it's my turn. Go out there and zoom in.
Do the wave. Woo! That's fun. Yeah. Here, take your helmet. Can you do my towel? Haley, can she film and can you do my towel?
Don't touch the camera. Let me get the...
Did you pause it?
No.
Pause it.